So, on TripAdvisor, this place was made out to be a nice, ambient, lax vibe, chilled place. Nice little tent in his homestay. The man's really nice, make you part of his family. So, we got here. Do you want to see the toilet? Would you like to shut the door so we can give him the full effect?
Yes.
I'll first show you the bedroom, which is fine. You get, it's all fun and games, you know, it looks clean. The zip doesn't do up on the front. This is a deluxe place, by the way, but the zip doesn't do up. It doesn't lock. But he said it's okay because I won't look. Okay. Now, would you like to take the camera, Mr RingSting? The RingStingers, welcome to our toilet. The best part. And you get free soap. Would you like me to show you the soap? So we've got a pissy floor and the soap. So we've been sat on a train for how many hours? 7 screaming kids. Very, very hot and clammy. One desires a shower. Not a lot to ask in life. I've now been informed we have no hot water. And there's a stinky old piss bucket that I would like to fill up for an hour in the morning with hot water to wash my piss-infested feet. I've hit the wall. I'm 35 years old, Mr RingSting is 40, so tomorrow we go into somewhere a bit more affluent. Is that the word?
Yes, that's the one.
So, as long as we survive the night and nothing bursts through the broken door and kills us, we shall be fine. Good night. Okay, so we survived death camp. We survived the night. We have, however, been out this morning and found somewhere a little bit more less deathy. Right, so we're not telling the owner because he stood outside our tent. So we're going to stealth it, aren't we, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. And we figured out that the toilet actually doubles up as a panic room. Yeah, so let's do this. The owner doesn't believe that I'm English. He actually just came in and asked me if I wanted tea and did I understand the English. I think it's because I speak very, very quickly. So the place that we're going to is literally 10 steps down the road.
And 10 times better.
Oh God, yeah. Not feeling India in it anymore, personally. Kind of done with it. Mr RingSting's 50-50. Jodhpur. All you can taste is petrol. And I mean, all you can taste is petrol. Even the water tastes like petrol. And the noise. Everybody has to honk. It's more intense than ever. The petrol fumes had very clearly gone to Mrs RingStinger's head at this point. So we didn't vlog Jodhpur, but we did get the train the next day to Jaisamer. And as you can see, Mr RingStinger snored the whole bloody way. Okay, so what have you heard about trains and toilets? I'm going to take you in with me. Oh my God, oh my God. It's not a Western toilet, you're gonna see the whole lot now. Dun, dun. It's a squatter. What you gotta do, ladies, is roll the the toilet roll. We'll improvise. Down, yep, I'm going down. You gotta kind of aim, but it's just wherever really. There's no toilet roll. Of course it's not a freaking toilet roll. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Just don't put your foot in Amy. And that is how not to do it. Right now, I'm going to wash my hands because look, what I am going to do is I'm going to go back to the seat, probably bomb a little bit, and let's test the hyper smooth alcohol gel. Alcohol gel. The smell. We've never smelled anything like this before. Okay. They're gonna think I'm talking to myself. Good morning from Jaislamer.
We're currently at Jaislamer Fort. It was founded in 1156. At the moment the fort is in a bit of a state of disrepair. They're doing a lot of works on it, foundations and so on, drainage is crumbling.
Hang on a minute. Guys, has anybody ever seen the film The Labyrinth? You know, the one with David Bowie in tights? Welcome to the Goblin City. Okay, Okay, so we're in. I'm a bit disappointed that there are allowed cars in here because it'd be nice to get away from the noise. Not too many touts, guys, which is a good thing. I get a lot of men saying, you look like Barbie, you look like baby doll. Nice box, I'll compliment in there somewhere. Restaurant. Namaskar ji. Good morning, ladies. Namaste ji. I will eventually, we're just going to, oh, look at these.
Yeah, we're just having a walk about first. Good morning.
Good morning. It's a very nice shop. Wow. Oh, you could spend a fortune here. There's actually 4,000 people living inside the gates. 4,000. And there's about 10,000 motorbikes. Namaskar.
Shopping is good for health.
It's not good for his wallet.
It's not good for my wallet.
I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can see what we can see. Oh, that bit of air. Don't want to be downwind of me. It's just Goblin City. You remind me of the babe. What babe? The babe with the power. What power? The power of voodoo, voodoo. You do. Do what remind me of the babe? Right. David Bowie, kaha. Where can I find David Bowie in tights? Wherever we go, everybody just celebrating that we're here. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, people. What this is then. Lots of the art here is just. So I'm going to look at this building. Okay, so obviously because we're inside the walls, you do pay a little bit more, you do pay a lot more. So I'm going to show you, we have stopped somewhere. I'm just getting a chai masala, and can we guess what old T-Bone is getting? Let me turn the camera on so you can have a little look. So the prices vary in here. I mean, veg pizza, 350. In our hostel, it's £1.50. Salad, anybody? 200. Bear with me. So we've got Indian taste. Aha, this is where you'll see the difference. Most of these that you'll stay in your guest house outside of the wall, you'll only pay between 1 and 2. This is literally doubled. So just bear that in mind. Get your breakfast outside the wall if you're on a bit of a budget. But if you're posh backpackers like me and Scott, and you like the white wines, and oh, my mother would be proud. It's only about 11 o'clock, so yeah. But what you need to remember is while you're paying higher prices, you also get to look at this. I'm telling you guys, you need to watch the film The Labyrinth. It is literally the Goblin City. Ain't seen any goblins yet though. I promise that we are not in a really posh hotel booking tonight's food. We are backpacking, but I promise we are not. Tenderbad, it's Jaisamer. I promise we haven't found the nicest hotel and they're eating here tonight, so we are backpackers. Really crap backpackers actually. A lot of the other footage that you'll find from people coming to here will always, you know, it's a beautiful city, it's this. This is the reality.
And here is Amy's room for the night.
Well, it's better than that bloody tent, that's for sure.
Look at this for a Jaislamer Barbie. Doesn't she stand out like a sore thumb?
Go power! Room tour time. When you're ready, Mr RingSting. Wait for it. Like I said, it's £8 a night. It's not the tidiest because this isn't where any magic happens.
Just saying he's unpacked.
Oh, shut your face. Western toilet. You know me by now. I will not stand and squat. The whole tent thing, we ain't that fussy. We know if we're paying between £6 and £8, it isn't going to be good. The one thing that we are stringent on, is that the word? Is safety. We need to be able to lock the door and the bed can't be full of lice. That's all we ask. So, Namaskar, Bhai Sahab.
Namaskar, Bobby G.
We're the RingStingers.
And today we're going on a camel safari.
Bhai Sahab, have we got time for a movie montage? You know, show off our outfits a bit?
Too right we have.
On the way to get our camels, the driver that's taken us there is stopped at his local village. Guys, I haven't got the camera on because it's too hot to get it out and I can't be arsed, so listen up. So we stopped in this village. The gentleman just sat there and explained how the village works. These little houses you can see behind me. Basically, in the evening when they all finish working, all the men get together and they stay there till 12 until 1 o'clock in the morning. And basically, if you're a woman, your job is to keep your house clean and have the babies. There's a few over here. They are the funniest little girls ever. They're going to play up for the camera again.
They think I'm a freak in these clothes.
Yeah,
Do I look like a freak, folks? Do I?
They're taking the mickey out of Scott quite a lot. So the gentleman said it's fine for us to go and walk through his village. So I'm going to turn you around so you can see. So you see the houses behind me. I can't really go in there because it'll be rude. The floors are actually made out of cow's pat.
Cow pat and mud.
Cow pat and mud. So
Strong cow pat,
yeah,
by the way.
if you fart in there, you can blame the floor. Just cock my leg over it.
Just cock your leg over, Ames. That's the spirit. She said she hadn't done it before.
Oh my God!
Did you hear that as loud as I did?
Good camel.
One here. Yeah, one here. Jesus, we're high up here.
Oh my God, where are you going? Okay, babe. This is actually not harder than it looks.
Hi, babe.
Yeah. Literally, I've got no skin left on mine. So we made it. We are in the heart of the Rajasthan Desert. So RingSting, how did you find the camel journey?
I enjoyed it. I think an hour and a half was just enough, though. I was starting to feel it at the top of the legs, in between the legs, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's great. I mean, there's 8 of us here. There's no one around for 50 square kilometres, maybe.
Ladies, it does get you lady guard, I'm not going to lie. Trying to get on and off the camel for me, because I'm a drama queen, was terrifying, but there was no broken bones. The gents that brought us here now are just setting up camp. They're going to make us some chai, a few snacks, then they're going to cook us. All the food is fresh. You can see their big bag of vegetables.
So there's just us 8 out here and about 14,000 different species of spiders.
Pardon?
Nothing.
Don't start that. He told me that there wasn't any. My sister told me there'd be camel spiders.
And snakes.
You don't like snakes?
I don't mind snakes.
Sun's gone down. It's lovely.
Beautiful.
It's really nice.
So quiet.
Scott's got a beer. We bought beer for him, or for everybody. And we've had some snacks. Seriously.
Main course is on the way.
It is. It's the best pakora we've ever had. So the gents here have made us this. We've got dal, chapati, rice. Oh yes, please.
Yes.
Boha masala. Bote.
This is what you call a meal.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. There's
Oh,
no
beautiful.
After dinner,
Thank
we
you.
have already the making bedding is there, so it's near the bush. You can move to go there.
Lovely, thank you. This is our camp for the night. In this, it's pitch black. But no, this is where the RingStingers will be, Barbie and Ken. Good morning. I've got to talk quietly because that lot are all lazy and they're still asleep. But welcome to the desert. Oh my God. Literally the best sleep ever. Went out with a bang, put it that way. It's really, really nice. Apparently there's no spiders here. I've just woken up with a big one on my boob. Yeah. But look at this. Good morning, Princess. How did you sleep?
Terrible.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Nah, good actually.
Good. Morning. Chai tea. So good. It's still freezing, mister. It's still cold.
Yeah, I get that.
Favourite time of the day, food time. So on the breakfast this morning we have porridge. Probably not going to eat that. Porridge. You try it. These are called boiled eggs. So that's a stud. They are just packing everything away, putting it in a big massive steel container.
Just had a nice breakfast there, survived the night. I just got 2 scorpion bites, one on each leg. Amy's been bitten on the backside by it, we're not sure yet.
Yeah, but it's probably a spider. I am actually being a big wuss. I'm not getting the camel back. I'm getting the jeep because chafing is real. It's really real, and it's not, for me, it's not the most pleasurable feeling.
And I'm not going to take the opportunity to ride a camel walking time.
On that note, we shall see you later. Right, the rumours are true, okay? I'm going to do it.
We're going to get a sleeper bus. We've got our own cabin though, so a few beers, a toilet stop every 6 to 8 hours.
Catch you on the other side. So for you guys that don't know what a sleeper bus is, let me introduce you.
Ta-da! Yep. Okay, look at my masterpiece this afternoon. Some things never change, do it?